you've got to just not be frightened of it and just drive as fast as you possibly can at the ramp. Most people take it in second, you can hear them in second, then you see the lunatic coming along that puts the BMW in third gear, you're thinking, oh my God, where's he going? And they'll clear 10 cars easily. So, but today it's greasy run up, so I don't expect him to clear the cars today.
I don't know, it was a spur of the moment thing, to be honest. They were all telling me to go for it, so I did.
Windy me a little bit, but I'm alright. Another end of another course, so let's see for it. You always have that last minute jitter just as you hit the ramp. Why am I doing this? But it's worth it in the end.
What are the conditions like today?
Not very good. Too damp because there's not enough traction, and obviously going on grass first of all. Obviously you can't get enough traction to get it going, but still in second gear and just about pulled through in the end.
Just talk us through your flight, I suppose.
Basically, you just hit the ramp, hold on, and just make sure that, well, as soon as you see the sky, it's great. As soon as you see the cars in front of you, you think, oh dear, and thud. And as you can see, it damages the engine and writes it off, basically. That's it. Trust my girlfriend to be the loudest one live.